Our Color of the Year campaign starts with a trend forecast brainstorm. This is when we get together with international design experts to talk about what will be shaping our lives over the next few years. With the natural world at the top of our global agenda, nature took center stage this time.
In China, nowadays people really love to live in home, in nature.
It's of course an extreme idea, but what can we learn from this?
Because we are all different and we all together forming this composition in our society.
We talked about the way connecting with nature makes us feel better and how the success of its incredible ecosystems inspires us to work together. We discussed the wonder of natural design and how it teaches us to create amazing things, and that living in tune with the natural world brings balance to our busy lives.
We need a bit of magic. We need people to reimagine the everyday.
Thank you very much. It's lovely. It's so nice to see things from your perspective.
So, to our theme for 2023, Seeds of Wonder.
Just as a tiny seed becomes a mighty tree, so the kernel of an idea can become something wondrous.
Choosing a color that brings the theme to life starts with our color experts here at the Global Aesthetic Center, the heart of color design at AkzoNobel. It's so exciting to find a color that captures the mood of the moment. Our Color of the Year is all about being inspired by the wonder and colors of nature. It's a shade that brings a positive, glowing feel and that sense of magic into our homes. Our 4 new color palettes show the different ways the natural world can inspire us. We feel healed and uplifted by nature, so bring in these colors for calm and comfort. Be reminded of the bustling biodiversity of a wildflower field with these upbeat tones, adding energy, joy and harmony to our homes. Straw, mushroom, woody browns. Choose warm and enriching colors that highlight the potential of nature to inspire innovation. Flowing seashore tones make us think of the rhythms and tides of life and hopeful renewal. Use these to create a space for balance.
We hope you feel inspired by our Color of the Year and that you're ready to create a little bit of magic in your own home.